So I was working in the charity sector before and was meeting lots of women who are experiencing homelessness, domestic violence, poverty, criminal activity. These things happen in our city, and it's unfair, and in London there's so much wealth. So social enterprise seems to be a really good way to use some of that wealth to benefit the most disadvantaged women.
Most of them have never baked before, some of them are really good home cooks but want to try baking. They have lots of different backgrounds.
Things wasn't really okay for me, and I was kind of really tired of everything. They're like family to me, the family that I don't have. I always feel wanted when I'm there. I feel the love is there, the connection is there. So, and for Alice, I told her she's mom. Anyone that can share your pain with you, cry with you, look after you, that's mom. I hope she can realize this thing she has done has changed a whole lot of people, especially me.